Hi, I'm Alex Butler, host of our series, Investing in America. Thanks for joining us as we look at how private equity firms are investing across the country in businesses of all sizes and empowering employees. One private equity-backed company took the bold step of giving employees equity grants so they have an ownership stake in the company. And to explain how this all works is Vicente Reynal, CEO of Ingersoll Rand. Vicente, so wonderful to have you here with us.
Thank you for having me here today, Alex.
Well, can you begin by giving our viewers some background on Ingersoll Rand? What exactly does the company build and sell?
Yes, we like to say that Ingersoll Rand is a 160-year-old startup company. Earlier this year, we were newly formed as Gardner Denver and the industrial segment of Ingersoll Rand came together. We're a company that is driven by an entrepreneurial spirit and ownership mindset. Our customers all over the world lean on us for mission-critical flow control solutions. We're very grounded on our purpose, which is lean on us to help you make life better. And this is us dedicated to helping make life better for our employees, customers, and communities. So there's no finer definition than essential for our products that go in ventilators and other medical devices, so mission-critical in the fight against COVID-19 right now, or even our pumps that can help make drinking water safe. So that's what we mean when we say that we help make life better. It's not just about a phrase for us, but it's a real and meaningful to our employees.
Now, I understand KKR first invested in Ingersoll Rand back in 2013 when the company was called Gardner Denver. Why was KKR interested in Gardner Denver back then and now?
The company has an immense legacy and brand recognition, over 160 years of continued product innovation, but it lacked some strategy and execution. But the private equity here, they saw that a team with hunger and our desire to do more, and they trusted us. They invested in our people and in our vision, and today, as Ingersoll Rand, we have grown to more than double our size.
And since 2013, how exactly has KKR helped the company expand and grow and invest in the workforce?
They have been and continue to be a great partner. Together, help drive an operational transformation at Gardner Denver with employee engagement as the centerpiece. The focus of the strategy was about making everyone an owner in the company, from the C-suite to the manufacturing production floor. The idea was to give everyone an opportunity to participate in the growth. The transformation also focus on improving safety and training in the workplace so that we could make it better and safer every day. We increased capital investments by more than 40%. And the company reduced the recordable incidents by over 50%, while driving greater productivity and efficiencies.
Now, over the past decade, KKR has pioneered a model of employee ownership by encouraging portfolio companies to grant equity stakes to workers. This model allows employees to personally benefit when the business succeeds. In addition to the grant to Gardner Denver employees earlier this year, Ingersoll Rand awarded an additional $150 million in stock to its team, giving ownership stakes to all of its nearly 16,000 employees. Can you tell us a little bit about how KKR worked with Ingersoll Rand to give your employees part ownership in the business?
Yes, Alex, what we're doing here is groundbreaking for an industrial company. And as far as we know, no other public industrial company has ever done this. As a public company, we issue shares to the employees, and those vest over a 2-year period. These awards were given to employees that are not part of the management equity plan. And we do this because we want to maximize the amount of equity that we provide to all levels in the organization, particularly hourly workforce. So those employees that held the Gardner Denver stock in 2017 have been able to see the value appreciate to now over 100% of their annual base. So this is transformational for many of our employees. When we did this in 2017 and also now, we tell our employees that this is not a thank you note, that this brings a lot of responsibility. And we teach them what it means to be an owner. We set an ambitious goal and it has worked really well. Employees are thrilled and are taking it upon themselves to make a difference. And the mindset of the employee has really shifted from thinking, this is the place I work, to this is my place of work. And I'm responsible for success and company success. So it is transformational in nature.
And what advice would you give to other American businesses considering partnering with private equity?
I would say partner with private equity and communicate and over-communicate at the outset and explain the value creation over a long period of time. And find ways on how to create complete alignment with the organization. We feel that engagement and broad-based ownership is a really great way to do it. I will tell them that my experience has been nothing but positive partnering with private equity. Gardner Denver and now Ingersoll Rand has had a long and mutually beneficial partnership with private equity. So they have been able to be a strong ally in our support, collaboration, and inspiration has been invaluable to our mutual growth and success.
And in 2019, you signed the CEO Action for Diversity and Inclusion Pledge, which calls on companies and businesses to outline a specific set of actions to cultivate diversity. How have you and KKR worked to make Ingersoll Rand a more diverse and inclusive business?
That's a great question. You know, we have bias for action to get results and financial performance, but also social responsibility. And at the time when it's so critical to demonstrate action, whether in margin improvement or diversity, we're about execution. So I've been very laser focused over the last few years on diversity and inclusion at the top of the house. With Ingersoll Rand Board of Directors, which is now 50% diverse from gender and ethnicity. The diversity rate of 50% is a point of pride, particularly when compared to other or kind of the current rate that is less than 20% at Fortune 500 industrial company boards. And currently, Ingersoll Rand is expected to be listed at the Fortune 500 list next year. And this will make me one of 12 Hispanic CEOs of a Fortune 500 company. So our company commitment to diversity, inclusion, and equity is foundational part of our company culture. So this pledge was just a natural extension of our company values to foster inspired teams and embrace diverse points of views, backgrounds, and experiences. And not only do we firmly believe that diverse views help deliver strong performance and create a cycle of success that benefits our employees, partners, and customers, but it's proven fact that companies with greater diversity have greater results, profitability, innovation, and problem solving, and a culture of winning.
Well, Vicente, thank you so much for speaking with us today. And I hope you'll all join us next time for our series, Investing in America.